It's story time. The Thumping Wooden Bear. Deep in the forest, there's a secret. Every morning, as sunlight peeks through the leaves, you can hear thump, 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 thump. It's not thunder, not a drum, it's a bear made of wood, thump, thump, bear dancing. When he walks, the ground shakes, thump, 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 like a walking drum in the woods. I'm the rhythm bear thumping everywhere I go, musical note. Thump thump bear sings while patting his belly and tapping tree roots with two little sticks. But to the other animals, all that noise wasn't so fun. Chipmunk Squirrel rubbed his eyes. Huh? Who's waking me from my nap? Owl spread his wings. Oh dear! Is it an earthquake? Snail, even Slowpoke Snail said, my ears are shaking. Everyone complained, Thump Thump Bear, we need peace, not a concert. But Thump Thump Bear didn't care. Instead, he proudly declared, tonight at 7, don't miss Thump Thump Bear's big drum show. He stomped on the wooden bridge, shaking even the pebbles into dancing. Thump, 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 thump. He was having the time of his life. But suddenly, cloud with rain, dark clouds gathered, rumble, a storm rolled in. Thump Thump Bear's rumbling made the animal homes collapse. Ah, my home collapsed. We can't hide from the rain. The wind howled, the rain poured, and Thump Thump Bear froze. He wanted to help, but he didn't know how to build or lift. He only knew how to drum. He sat by a fallen tree and whispered, was I really too noisy? Just then, he heard faint cries and calls for help. Someone's still trapped. He jumped up with an idea. That's it, I can use sound to send a message. He stood on a big rock, thumping his chest in a rhythm. Thump, 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 speaker high volume. That wasn't just noise, it was a rescue signal. Soon, Uncle Elephant heard the beat and rushed over with Sister Fox to help. They dug through mud and lifted rocks, saving the little bunny and hedgehog. Thump Thump Bear's beat saved us, everyone cheered in surprise. The rain stopped. A rainbow appeared. Thump Thump Bear gently tapped the ground. Thump thump, thump. This time, no one covered their ears, they danced to the rhythm. Bareface, Thump Thump Bear is awesome. Chipmunk, now the thumping feels warm and happy. Owl, I'm falling asleep to that beat tonight. Thump Thump Bear smiled big. He had finally learned. Sparkles, sound isn't just for noise. It can bring joy, courage, and hope.
Take soothing flight in the arms of dreams where shadows play. Float away till the break of day. Clouds hum softly above the trees. Their lullabies drift with the breeze. Every corner sway with the